Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox the MICROLIFE BP B4 BT blood pressure monitor. So I have the box right here. You can see BP stands for blood pressure. B4 it's the model name and BT is Bluetooth. So if you're wondering why there's so many B's, now you know. Let's take this packaging off. It also connects with an app, so that is really great. I have the box in Polish, but it doesn't really matter, I think, because the device is available in different countries, so probably in your country it may have a different name, like different box. Yeah. Let's get that opened here at the top. Then, okay, what do we have here? We have the batteries. So this is the first thing. Let's get the batteries. These are alkane batteries, AAA, so that's great. They're gonna last pretty long. Then there's a USB to USB-C cable. That is also pretty great to have that. Now let's see. We have all the devices and accessories and stuff like that, and we have the manual and the warranty card inside. So I'm gonna put the manual and the warranty card aside, and let's get to the device itself. So we have it in this like sort of travel case, and the first thing is of course the band for your hand. You can see it looks like this. It's like very basic, just a typical band. Okay, let's put that aside as well. Now the device, of course, and the device looks like this. Gonna go ahead and open it up. Although there's a tape. To get that tape off, I don't really want to go and get my tape. Okay. Yeah. And here's the device. It's very simple, so I think that's a great thing because it's gonna be easy to use for everyone. I'm gonna take the foil off. Let's get the foil off. Now you can see this is the device, and let's plug it into the strap, the band. Okay, we have this part. We should plug it in like that, all the way in, and then we should also we can charge it, but we should put the batteries in before, because these alkane batteries, I think they are rechargeable. So no, they are not rechargeable. That is weird, because there's the cable. So I think we can just plug it in to the power without any batteries at all, and it just works on like DC power. And you can watch other videos on how to use the device. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.